¿Hay alguien en la cocina? Diría yo. ¿Hay alguien en la cocina? Is somebody in the kitchen? It's David Rotundo in the kitchen. Yeah. ¿Hay alguien en la cocina? Is somebody in the kitchen? Yeah. Woo.
Can I come in your kitchen and cook all night long with you? Can I come in your kitchen and cook all night long? Your stove is so hot, baby. How hot? Makes me want to do some cooking too. That's how hot.
All right, from the kitchen is coming to the stage. What's going on? Let's do some science. Let's hear what's going on there.
I love to smell your soup. Hot from the pot. You guys got me covered, eh? I like the way you shake it. Everything you got. So can I come in your kitchen? This is real blues now, man. And cook all night long.
Yeah.
With you, Ben. Your stove is so hot, baby. You made me want to do some cooking too. They do good cooking here, don't they?
Yeah.
Very good. Very good.
So does this fruta.
Pineapple sauce.
Now we can do some playing. Right on. I like the way you made your dressing. Right from scratch. I like the way you use your hand. Slide it down that turkey's back. I don't want to go there yet. Can I come in your kitchen? And cook all night long. Your stove is so hot, baby. You make me want to get to that kitchen